Familiar with this situation? The sales operation team racing the clock and tabbing between the sales orders and purchase orders for their comparison. That means inviting mistakes due to manual comparisons such as missing fields, mismatched lines, hidden discrepancies, and time lost. Here is where we come in. Frappe Assistant Sales Agent. Sales Agent is an ERP Next Frappe app that automates the comparison between the customer purchase orders and the internal sales orders, having the status of AI review. Installing the Frappe Assistant Sales Agent app is as straightforward as any other Frappe app. The user creates or opens an existing sales order to compare the internal sales order with the customer's purchase order. Once the purchase order is attached to the sales order, the AI agent goes through and fetches the sales order having the AI review status. It fetches the sales order along with the purchase order attachment and then extracts the content of the purchase order. Once that is done, the comparison results summary and discrepancies are written back to the sales order. It also creates a row for each run of a sales order, logging the errors and information during the run. Once this is done, the human review of the summary and discrepancies are done, and the required manual edits are performed by the team. Based on the requirements, this can be accepted or rejected. Let's go through the workflow created. The sales order AI review has document type sales order and has 5 states: draft, AI review, manual review, approved, and rejected. And all these 5 states have transition rules applicable as shown here. Next, we have two doc types. Sales agent setting is used for the model configuration and Frappe configuration details. Sales agent run is wherein the agent writes back the error logs and information regarding each run of a particular sales order. Let's go ahead and see how it works. Now, in the sales agent settings, we can provide details of the model provider. We can either choose between the Anthropic or OpenAI providers and provide their API key. Next, in the Frappe connection, we provide the API key, API secret, and the Frappe site details for the agent to fetch information from. Now, the sales agent run, where there are details of the sales order, the status, the timing details, the model usage details, wherein the tokens used are also provided, and the OCR details of the attachment and the job ID. We also have the agent output, wherein the agent results are written back with the tools used. Next, we'll go through the entire working of the Sales Agent app. First, we fill in the details in the Sales Agent settings of the provider we're using with the API key and the model used. Next, in the Frappe Assistant Core configuration, we provide the Frappe API key, the API secret, and the Frappe site and save it. Next, we go to the sales order. In the sales order, we first attach the respective purchase order. Once the purchase order is attached, we send it for AI review. Once this is done, we go to the sales agent run to check the details of the sales order. It provides details of the sales order, ID, the status, the timing at which it was queued at and it started running at. Next, we wait for a few more seconds and see that the workflow state has been changed from AI review to manual review, as there were discrepancies found in the comparison between the sales order and the purchase order. As you can see, the workflow state has changed to manual review. Next, in the sales agent run, we check the status. It has been changed from running to success. It shows us the details of the timing, what time it ended at, the duration, the model usage, the provider along with the tokens used, and the OCR details of the attachment along with the job ID. Next, under the agent output, we can see the information of what the agent has done along with the tools that we used. So as you could see, the Sales Agent app with minimal configuration was able to perform faster, more consistent comparison check between the sales order and purchase order. It also provided transparent runs with the token usage and tool audit and provided error log details if any debugging was needed to be done. Thank you.